Hi, my name is Akshay and I'm a comedy songwriter and an MI graduate. I was fortunate enough to have attended Jasmine's Artist Branding Bootcamp, and in this video I just wanted to share my experience and tell you a little bit about her. When I was attending the first seminar, I really appreciated how Jasmine was to the point, very effective, and really kind of cutting the fat. I think this is because Jasmine comes from a creative background and she's in the business side of things. I can tell that she's genuinely concerned for all the people that she's working with, and she wants them to be successful in their endeavors. She's tired of seeing how people have been struggling. So talented people are not making enough money, and she wants to help them do that. She gave me highly actionable advice and very precise things to focus on. And if you can't see the problem, she's gonna see it for you. Sometimes we're just too close to the art to see it from an external perspective. But she's gonna see it and she's gonna call it out very honestly. And maybe some of you might not have the grounds to hear that. I want to tell you that if you want to succeed in the music business, and if you're really serious about making a change in your life and prosper as a musician, I would highly recommend to attend one of her lectures. I got a lot of value from it, and I'm definitely looking forward to the second seminar. I hope that this video helps you make a decision in some way. But yeah, she's really gonna help you, and very to the point. So anyways, thank you so much, Jasmine, for this amazing seminar that you held. I learned a lot of things, and I'm excited to see the next one. So I hope other people can come for this one as well. I want all of us to be successful as musicians and really grow and prosper. Remember this thing, guys. If you help other people win, you win. All right. Thank you.